Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Next, relieve the fuel system pressure. This is a crucial safety step to avoid fuel spray. Finally, safely lift your truck using a jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands for stability. Now let's get to the fuel tank. If your tank has a lot of fuel, it's best to drain it into an approved container to make it lighter and safer to handle. Disconnect all electrical connectors and fuel lines attached to the tank. Be gentle with these connections. Then, carefully lower the fuel tank from its mounting straps, ensuring it doesn't drop suddenly. With the tank out, clean the top surface around the fuel pump module to prevent dirt from entering the tank. Carefully remove the retaining ring that holds the old fuel pump in place. Disconnect the old pump and lift it out. Install your new fuel pump module, ensuring the new gasket is properly seated for a tight seal. Then, secure it with the retaining ring. Now it's time to put everything back together. Carefully raise the fuel tank and secure it with its straps. Reconnect all the fuel lines and electrical connectors, making sure they click into place. Reconnect your battery. Before starting the engine, turn the key to the on position a few times to prime the fuel system. Finally, check thoroughly for any fuel leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.